This POV animal video just hit 34 million views in 2 weeks, and nobody is teaching how to make them. Imagine millions watching your videos from the animal's eyes, suspense, action, drama. Your viewers won't blink. I'm about to show you step by step how to create these insane POV videos for free using AI. Are you ready to watch your content go viral? Alright, let's get started. I've created a Google Docs file that contains the master template prompt we'll be using throughout this tutorial. This template is specifically designed to help us generate ultra-realistic tiny animal POV-style videos with consistent quality and cinematic detail. Instead of guessing what to write each time, you can simply use this structured prompt to produce highly engaging and visually stunning results. It saves time, improves consistency, and makes the entire creation process much easier, especially if you want professional-level output. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once it's loaded, go back to the Google Docs file where we saved our master template prompt and copy the entire prompt carefully. After copying it, return to ChatGPT and paste the full prompt into the input box. Then simply click Generate. ChatGPT will automatically suggest around 15 tiny animal ideas that fit perfectly with our ultra-realistic POV video style. If you don't see the specific animal you want to create, don't worry. You can just type the name manually. For example, here I'm typing scorpion. After that, click Generate again, and ChatGPT will start creating a detailed, ready-to-use prompt tailored specifically for your selected animal. Once ChatGPT finishes generating all the prompts you need, the next step is to open Whisk AI, where we'll begin turning those prompts into stunning ultra-realistic visuals. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first generated prompt. Once copied, open Whisk AI and paste the prompt into the input box. Before generating, make sure to set your aspect ratio correctly. If you're creating shorts or reels, choose the 9:16 vertical format. However, for this tutorial, I'll be using the landscape version so it's easier for you to clearly see everything on the screen. After adjusting the settings, click Generate, and Whisk AI will begin processing your prompt. Within just a few seconds, it will produce high-quality images based on your description. If you're not satisfied with the first result, don't worry. Simply click Generate again, and Whisk AI will create a fresh set of new images for you. You can repeat this process until you get a result that matches your vision perfectly. Once you find the image you like, select it and download it to your device so we can use it in the next step. Once you've downloaded the image, open Grok AI and upload the image you just saved. After the upload is complete, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt that was generated earlier. Paste this prompt into the Grok AI prompt box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Grok AI will process the prompt and create your video. When the video is ready, carefully take the last frame from the generated video and save it to your device. This step is very important. Now, upload that last frame back into Grok AI. After uploading, return to ChatGPT again and copy the third image prompt. Paste it into Grok AI's prompt box and click Generate. Remember, each time you create a new video segment, you must copy and save the last frame from the previously generated video. We will use that last frame as the starting point for the next clip. This technique ensures that your video transitions look smooth and seamless, almost like one continuous shot without any cuts or visual disturbances. It creates a professional, cinematic flow that makes your POV video much more engaging. Continue repeating this same process for all the remaining prompts. Each time, save the last frame from the generated video, upload it to Grok AI, paste the next prompt from ChatGPT, and generate the next clip. By following this method step by step, you'll be able to generate all your video segments one by one while maintaining perfect continuity throughout the entire video. Next, open CapCut and start a new project. Once you're inside the editor, Import all the video clips you generated using Grok AI. After importing, begin dragging the clips onto the timeline one by one in the correct sequence. Make sure you start with the clip that shows a human researcher holding the scorpion in their hands, as this will serve as the opening scene. Then follow with the remaining clips in order. Remember, since we used the last frame of each previous clip as the starting frame for the next one, the transitions should already align smoothly. However, you still need to place them carefully in the correct sequence to maintain that seamless, continuous flow. If everything is arranged properly, the video will look like one long, uninterrupted shot without any cuts or visual jumps. Once all the clips are placed correctly, review the entire sequence to ensure everything flows naturally and looks polished. When you're satisfied with the final result, export the video in 4K resolution for the highest possible quality. And that's it. You now know how to create an ultra-realistic tiny animal POV video with smooth, seamless transitions. Follow this system, experiment with different animals, and keep improving your creativity. See you in the next tutorial.